Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to solve here one very famous complex problem. That problem had been asked in 2016 IIT JEE Advanced Examination. In this question, we have given two discs which is connected with a massless rod. See here two discs having one disc having the small disc having the mass m and big disc having the mass 4m, and the radius of small disc having a and bigger disc having the radius 2a. So in this scenario, this disc is rolling about a horizontal plane. This is a horizontal plane, and this disc is spinning about this axis. Also, this disc, both discs rotating, rolling about this horizontal plane. So here the spinning motion and rolling motion. Suppose this motion just like as a sun around the sun, earth is spinning, earth is also spinning and revolving around the sun. So this system of disk is also spinning with angular velocity omega. Suppose this disk is spinning about this axis with the angular speed omega. So this is the angular speed. So and this system of disk is also rotating about this point. Suppose this point is O. So in this question, the angular momentum of the entire assembly about point O is L. Select the correct statement. The first option is the center of mass of the assembly rotates about the z-axis with the angular speed of omega by 5. So in this option, we have to find the angular speed along this z-axis. So we first understand what type of motion is here. So we know this is the horizontal surface. So the instantaneous, this is a instantaneous frame. So at that particular point, this point and this point, the speed of the disk would be 0. At this point the speed would be 0 and this point speed would be 0, because this disk is rolling without skidding. So there is no skidding here, only rolling. So we say at that point the velocity will be 0. So here we say the is in that direction the net omega and the angular momentum, the direction of the angular momentum and the direction of the net omega would not maybe aligned. So we have to calculate the first option. This is the omega along with the z axis. So two way to find the omega at z axis. So this would be the direction of the omega. This would be the direction of the omega because disk is rotating in this direction. So thumbs give the direction of the omega, and this is also the direction of the orbital angular momentum. This is spin angular momentum. This is this is spinning. So L would be in this direction and omega would also in this direction. So we see here, and this and this direction, we know when this disk is rotating, the center of mass of the disk, this having m mass, this having 4m mass, so center of mass would be 4 Ly 5. This distance would be 4 Ly 5 from here to here, and suppose this is r, this distance is r, and we say here the distance from center of mass, this would be RC, this would be here to here, this is center of mass, this is center of mass. So RC would be L plus 5L by 5, 5L by 4, 5L by 4L by 5. So this becomes 4L by 5, 4L by 5. So RC becomes 9L by 5. So in first option, and let's say this angle is theta. So we find here sin theta and cos theta, sin theta and cos theta. Here in first option we have to calculate omega z. What would be omega z? So we consider this small disk that is spinning. So the spin in one cycle, the circumference of the so we have to find the turn around this. This is the orbital path here. This is the orbital path here. So we find the turns of this disk about this radius. So what would be this radius? So we write here 2 pi r upon 2 pi a. A is the radius of the disk and r is the radius of this orbit. So we find the radius of r, radius of disk. So radius of this orbital path. So radius would be, this is L square plus this is a square. So value of L is given 20 root 24a. So this becomes 24a square plus a square under root. So r becomes 5a. So we write here 5a, 2 pi cancel out, 5a upon a and becomes 5. This means on traversing this path, orbital path, this disk turn 5 times. This disk 5 times turns here. So we say if we say the time period of this disk is t, so this disk complete whole rotation through this circumference, and this disk rolls 5 times to complete this circumference. So if the spin, this angular velocity is omega, so the angular velocity about this orbital path about the z axis would be omega by 5. So we also calculate it by another way. This is the direction of omega. So we write here the component of omega, this angle from the vertex, from this horizontal plane is theta. This angle is theta, this angle also theta. So the component would be omega sin theta. So omega z would be, this is another way, omega sin theta. So what is the value of sin theta? The value of sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is a by r. So what is a? A is a and r is 5a. So sin theta becomes 1 by 5 and cos theta becomes, what is cos theta? L is root 24a upon 5a. So this becomes root 24 by 5. This is cos theta. So by placing the value of sin theta, this will be omega by 5. So first option is correct here. The center of mass of the assembly rotates about the z-axis with the angular speed, that is omega by 5. In the second options and third options and fourth options, the second option is saying the magnitude of angular momentum of the assembly about its center of mass is this. So what is the angular momentum? So angular momentum would be written as angular momentum m RC vector cross VC vector. This is the angular momentum this is the angular momentum about center of mass angular momentum in center of mass of reference frame. This is angular momentum of center of mass. So this is the angular momentum in center mass in of reference frame. So we have to find here this angular momentum of the assembly about its center of mass. So its center of mass, that would be angular momentum about center of mass, that would be I into omega, that would be I into omega. So this is spin ls, the direction of spin, or this is orbital. So ls we write here. What is the moment of inertia of this disk? This is ma square by 2 plus moment of inertia of the big disk having 4m mass and area is double 2a square by 2 and angular momentum is omega. So this becomes 4, 4, 16 and 17, 17 by 2 ma square into omega. This is angular momentum about, this is spin angular momentum. This is a spin angular momentum. This is given here 17 by 2 ma square into omega. If this center mass, here the center mass, this position axis of center mass, if this center mass frame is rotating, center mass frame is rotating, then this spin angular momentum is 2, correct. But when the center mass frame is not rotating, then the extra term would be added here, so this would not be correct. So this option assumed to be correct if we consider center mass frame is rotating, that this option would be correct. And in C, the third, mass magnitude of the angular momentum of the center of mass assembly about the point O. So we have to find here the orbital angular momentum. This is mass m, total mass m system. So we write here m system cross RC vector cross VC vector, and the direction of the orbital angular momentum. So we see here, this is the direction of center of mass and this is the suppose this is the direction of the center of mass inside, and this is the radial vector radius, this is center of mass, this radius of RC, and the center of mass, velocity of center of mass in this direction. So on RC cross V, RC cross V, finger curls in direction of RC cross V, then the thumb gives the direction of the angular orbital angular momentum. So this is the direction of orbital angular momentum. So here we say this is orbital angular momentum. So place the value. This mass of the system is 5m. RC is, we calculate here RC. This is 9Ly5, and VC, the velocity of center of mass. This is the velocity inward. This is VC. VC is acting inside. So VC would be omega. So this having the angular, suppose angular velocity omega, we have to calculate here. This is omega naught. So we have omega z is equal to, we found here earlier, omega z is equal to omega by 5. So RC, VC would be this distance. This distance is RC. What is RC? RC is, so this distance would be RC into omega naught. So what would be RC? RC is 9L by 5 and omega naught. What would be the omega naught? So we find here omega naught, we, this angle is theta, this angle is theta, so this angle also be theta, because two lines if making angle theta, then its perpendicular line, this perpendicular line, and this perpendicular line, this, and this perpendicular line, this angle also theta. So we write here omega z, would be omega naught cos theta. So omega naught would be omega z upon cos theta. So here we write here, what is the omega naught? What would be the omega naught? Omega z. This is omega by 5, omega z. And what is the cos theta? Cos theta is root 24 into 5. So this becomes omega by root 24. This is omega naught. This is angular momentum, angular velocity about this axis. So we write here 5m into 9L by 5 into RC. RC is 9L by 5 and omega naught. Omega naught is omega by root 24. So we solve here 5m 81 into 81 25 and L square. What is the value of L square? This is root 24a square. This is root 24a square. This is m cross 81 and 24a square into omega root 24. 24a square becomes root 24a square. This becomes 24a square. So this cancelled by 5m. So here the 25, this becomes 25. So this becomes 5. So we write here 81 into root 24 by 5 m a square omega. This value is less than 81 ma square omega, because here this is approximate equal to 81 ma square omega, but the option said the angular momentum would be this. So this option is wrong. So this is nearly about 81 mA square omega, but here the option says the magnitude of the angular momentum of the center mass of the assembly about point O is 81 mA square omega. So this option is wrong. And the final D option, the magnitude of Z component of L is this. So Z component, so what would be the Z component? So Lz would be, this would be vector addition of the angular momentum on y direction or z direction. So angular momentum LO would be LO sin theta, the orbital angular momentum cos theta, this would be cos theta, and this spin, so this component would be negative LS sin theta, and placing the value LO is here, that is 81, approximate we write here approximation ma square omega into cos theta, this is root 24 by 5, this is approximate 1, and this is root 24 by 5 minus, this is ls is 17 by 2 ma square omega by 5, sin theta value is 1 by 5. So approximate, this is 81 approximate, and this is 1.7 approximate. So this becomes ma square omega, and by subtraction, so this becomes 79.3 ma omega, ma square omega, this will be Lz. So here the Z component is 55 ma square omega, and we calculate out the value of Lz would be 79.3 ma square omega. So this corrects, this option is also incorrect. So these are two, this is correct and this may be correct here. So this is the question from rotational motion, and I hope this session, you enjoy this session, and by this concept your mental endurance would be increased. And thanks for watching this video, and take care.